Hey there, we're Crystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. And come along with us today as we tell you about van life in Kentucky.
Good morning, I think.
Howdy, y'all.
Oh no.
Spends 12 hours in Kentucky and it's already taking on the southern accent because this place is the South.
It is way the South, and I wasn't necessarily prepared for this because we've been to Kentucky, very northern Kentucky and very southern Kentucky, and have not had like southern experiences. We visited the same town that we were in Covington yesterday and did have a very southern experience. What did that guy say?
Well, hail,
I don't know, and everyone is y'all this, y'all that, so I don't know, maybe we weren't looking for it and we were looking for it this time, but we are having, I think, a true southern immersion with the people that we've been speaking with.
And coming to Lexington, what a pretty place that is very van friendly.
We found it so easy to park. There are so many different places that you can go, and we're already talking about planning our next trip back to like the Covington and then Lexington type of road trip situation because it was so good.
It's amazing how much Kentucky has moved up in my books. I really like coming here. I never thought that it would be the place that I would want to return to. It doesn't get a lot of press, but Kentucky, really pretty place to visit. And if you're in Lexington, you can't miss out if you're cemetery people, which is a question we were asked yesterday.
You cemetery people. I was like, I don't know.
The Lexington Cemetery. One of the most gorgeous places, photogenic places that I've been to.
Honestly, some famous people buried there. I guess famous if you know who they are. They're not like worldly famous. We had to look most of them up. But Henry Clay, very prominent feature there if you know your American history. So let us know below if you know who Henry Clay is without us telling you.
And Lincoln's in-laws, the Todds.
Yeah, the Todds. Very fun trip through Lexington. All in all, we only stayed one night because honestly, we just weren't sure how van friendly it was going to be, what it was going to look like, what was going to happen, and great cell service, great places to park the van.
Honey, a castle.
Oh, that's a castle.
Look at that thing.
What? I do not know what's going on in Kentucky, but I kind of like it.
So on top of the cell service, you also have castles.
Who knew? Also, great place to come, Lexington, if you're into horses. We've mentioned it before, we're not super into horses, but I do respect them a little bit more now. Cool to learn about. I like seeing new places and walking away with a different perspective of them and their culture, and that definitely happened here in Kentucky. But we're not done with Kentucky yet.
We're headed off to Mammoth Cave, and I said it right this time.
Yeah, we're gonna keep saying Mammoth Cave.
Sorry, New Jersey, that's get stuck in your head. So we're gonna wrap the video up here. We have a lot more coming on the southern road trip, the deep south road trip. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the caves.
Ooh, creepy.
Underground.
Okay, bye. Also, we have new mics. How do you like them? Do they work good? Are they good for the van? I don't know.
I like it. I feel very professional. Do I look very professional now?
You look very professional.
Ma'am.
Someone ma'amed me as well. I don't know how I feel about it.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's like haunting.
I mean, it is a cemetery.
Oh.